So yeah, I started a video well, a while back, and didn't finish it. This is I wanted to do just a very quick review of this particular shop vac, the three horsepower, 3 gallon, 11 liters. I've used it quite a bit. I got a bigger shop vac for the shed, but this here we bought for the house because we don't have any carpet anymore, and we don't need the vacuum with the the motorized brush, for the carpet. So figured we have a wood stove as well, so it gets kind of dusty, and this would be small enough and good enough for what we need. And I must say, I took it up the shed just to put it through its paces, and this is a very strong shop vac. The 3 horsepower, now that's peak, but 3 horsepower is the same as what's on my 8-gallon, I believe it is, shop vac. And but this one do run more quiet, and like that horsepower on a vacuum this size, it's pretty good suction, for what we need for the house. I mean, vacuuming the couches and the futon and cleaning up after messy kids. It's a good buy. This one didn't come, I was under the impression on the back of the box that it's supposed to come with everything, so I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look into that, because what are we missing? This here, we don't have this. So I might have to take it back to Walmart and get a couple pieces that's missing, I think. Other than that, it's we got it on sale at Walmart for $38, and couldn't go wrong. Yeah, so I've tried it out, and if you're thinking about just a little shop vac for your shed, even, if you're not doing a lot of woodworking, or you're not making a big mess, I tend to make quite a big mess when I'm doing something. So I have a bigger one, but and I have it hooked up to my table saw, and to collect the dust. But this one here, it works great. Good suction. It's nice and light, and surprisingly quiet compared to the other shop vac. So if you're thinking about buying the Stanley, I should see what the product number is, but I don't see it. Maybe that. No. Anyway, I don't know what the model number is. I don't see it, but anyway, it's the 3-gallon one, so you'll be fine. So yeah, enjoy. If you decide to buy this, it's not a bad buy for small jobs.